you're watching Camille's Curls, and today is going to be an unboxing type of video. Sorry, this video is going to feel a bit rushed because I do have a class in like less than half an hour. So that's why my hair is wet. I didn't have enough time to diffuse it, you know, but we're kind of doing that wet look. Anyways, so today I'm going to be unboxing some of Fruitypod's earbuds, and I actually reached out to them and they were able to send me over not just one but 2 earpods. Stay till the end of the video to see what I'm planning on doing with these. It'll actually probably say it in the title. It's a giveaway, okay? I'm giving away these blue Fruitypods. I'll tell you what to do at the end of the video. Don't try and skip through it. You know you want to watch this. So I asked for the yellow color. Also, just like, look at how cute these are. I love the pastels. Okay, so I struggle opening up boxes and I'm struggling pretty bad right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's actually adorable. Can you see that? Is the lighting bad? You know what, let me just take it out. Alright, so here we are. We've got... Oh, it's literally lighting up because I moved it. Please focus. There we go. So I got the yellow, like I said, cute yellow pastel. There is a button on the back, which I'm pretty sure you use to sync up your Bluetooth with. So I'm going to open them up. Oh, the cuteness! Look at that. Basically, they look like AirPods. They're a really nice soft material. I forgot what this is called. It's just like nice and smooth. And yeah, it feels like the earpods are made out of the same type of material. Ooh, it's giving me a little light show. Look at that. Hopefully that goes away because I don't want a light show going on in my ears. I feel like one of those kids that have like light up Skechers at school. I'm going to put it in. Okay, that looks adorable. What? Oh my gosh, it just said power on. Yo, why is this one? Yo. Let me just really quickly connect these. Alright, here we go. So they are connected to my phone. Whoa! They're already playing my music because I was just listening to it in the car. So let's see, I'm listening to Freak by Doja Cat. I'm loving this song. What? Oh my gosh, it did pause. It's a touch control. Y'all, wait a sec. Why does that actually sound like good? Why does that actually like, it sounds freaking good. Let me see if I can unpause. It unpaused! I don't know, I'm so freaked out. I'm turning it up and it still sounds great. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that sounds killer. That actually sounds so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me really quickly... Alright, so it does come with a charging cord as well. What the... Why does that actually look like the Apple charging cord? Hold up. It's the Apple charging... Look at that, it fits in my phone. What? Okay, that's kind of cool. And then I'm guessing, yeah, just on the bottom right there, you charge that. Let me really quickly, y'all, I didn't even look up. Like, let me look up the playtime that these have. Hopefully it'll say. Alright, so they work across all Bluetooth devices, no matter the brand. Sorry, I'm just like reading stuff off. Okay, so it has 3 hours of continuous playtime. And then the charging case will charge them for additional 4 times. So 4 times 3. So the charging case will charge 12 hours of playtime, but the earbuds themselves only work for 3 hours, which I mean isn't the most, but for the price I'd say that's a pretty decent playtime. Built-in microphone. Oh, they have a microphone. What? And it says that they are IPX6 water resistant. Okay, and the charging time is 1 hour to full charge. Cool. And they actually have a 100% money back guarantee. That is so, wow, look at them. Little customer service. Okay. Alright, so it seems like the touch controls might be a little touchy. I feel like most earbuds are like that though. Alright, let me show you a little close up, even though I just like put them in my ear so they might have like a little bit of earwax. Okay, so there we go. Look at that cute pastel color. I'm actually loving that so much. Here's the other. Bruh, they're actually the same, so I don't know why I'm doing like both. Alright, they've got cute white, not white, metal bottoms. Yeah. So I think they're basically the same size and everything as AirPods. Oh crap, let me like actually zoom out. So yeah, they're the same size and stuff, but they're a different material. They're like that soft type of smooth matte material. I'm gonna put them back in the case. Just kidding, let me really quickly do like a thumbnail. So if I am like doing a little review, I would say I give them like an 8.5 out of 10. Just because I have seen reviews where they can, like, I'm not sure, I haven't used them. This is like my first time ever using them, so I don't know if they are going to fail on me. So right now it's like, I'd say like a 9, 8.5 to 9 out of 10. I might do an update in the future, but yeah. And then the other reason why it's not like exactly like a 10 is because it is just 3 hours of playtime. I haven't tested that. It might even be less, but it is only 3 hours, and they're marketed at like about $35. They're like on sale from $80. Hopefully it never is $80, because if it is, I just wouldn't say that that's worth it to buy fake AirPods for $80. But like a $30 deal, like that's pretty good for AirPods that look exactly like AirPods and they play really well. I'd say that's a good deal. But yeah, so my boyfriend actually got me my MPOW 30s off of Amazon for about 40 bucks, and those are pretty good quality. So yeah, I'd say like around $30 to $40 is a good price for like a dupe of AirPods or just any type of like Bluetooth earbuds. But yeah, I actually ended up really liking those. I was not expecting that. I was expecting them to be pretty cheap. But yeah, no, they ended up being really, really good. All right, now for what you guys have actually been waiting for. Sorry, I keep on zooming in and forget to zoom out. Here it is, right here. This Fruitypod box, it is the blueberry color, so you would be getting the blue earbuds for free. This is a giveaway, like I said. If you want these, all you gotta do, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, right here actually, if you want to just go ahead and click that subscribe button, you're already one step closer. Tag 2 friends in the comment section on my Instagram, and then post it to your story, and then save the post. I know that that doesn't really make much sense, but with the new Instagram algorithm, it'll show more people if you save the post. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's actually not a very big type of giveaway. Yeah, just follow Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, comment, tag 2 friends, share it on your story. You don't have to share it on like your feed or like your post, and then save the picture. So 5 steps, 5 super easy steps for a chance to win these adorable Fruitypods. All right, I wish you guys luck, and oh, that's right, the giveaway will end on Saturday, so I will be saying who won the giveaway in this Saturday's video. So stay tuned for that. Watch that video so that you can know if you are the person that actually won those earbuds. And yeah, that's it for this video. When is my class? In 10 minutes. Haha. Okay, but we did it. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That always means so much to me. And if you want to enter the giveaway, if you just like my channel, go ahead and check it out. You can press that subscribe button. That means so much. We are growing so quickly. This giveaway is actually for my 1,500 subscriber milestone, which is kind of a random milestone, but I just wanted to do a giveaway, so I'm just gonna say that's a really big milestone. But yeah, it is growing so quickly. Thank you guys so much. I cannot express how freaking happy and grateful I am for this opportunity to be on YouTube and just grow and just create content. It's my dream. I'm going to school for it. I'm literally going to school to be a filmmaker, to film my YouTube videos. Oh my gosh, I gotta check if the mic is on because if it's not, I'll cry. Y'all, I didn't forget this video. Have a great rest of your day and I will see you on Saturday. Bye!